This is my project here, and I better get busy. Here's one over here that is just about finished. I just have to put the flowers in, and I'm quite happy with it. I'm putting hens and chicks in the bottom. The second pot contains coxcombs. So far, I don't have anything for the third, fourth, and fifth parts. But right here, I have flowers that I seeded. I have flowers that were seeded over here. I have flowers that I seeded here. So I think I have enough flowers to get a pretty good start on this. Well, the pot stand is there. It is now planted. And I have some perennials in the bottom, hens and chicks, coxcombs. These are supposed to be Sweet Williams and a straw flower. So we'll see how it goes.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.